Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Amal Hamdhy bin Kambizan. My matrix number is 20234899116 and I'm from group 21. Today, I'm gonna talk about chapter 1. So, what's in chapter 1? Let's check it out. Yes, that is what we're gonna learn in this topic. As for introduction, atoms, molecules, ions, and elements are fundamental concepts in chemistry, and they form the basic for our understanding of chemical reaction and the behavior of the matter. Let's explore each of these concepts. So, what is atom? Maybe there are some of us that didn't know about atoms and they don't have any idea what is atoms. So without any wasting time, let's check it out. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that retain the characteristic properties of that element. Atom consists of a central nucleus that is surrounded by one or more negatively charged electrons by an electromagnetically bound. Atoms are made of three subatomic particles named as proton, electron, and neutron. Atom also combine with another atom to form molecule, but cannot be divided into smaller parts by ordinary chemical process. That is atom. So, what is molecule that have been mentioned on the previous slide? Well, molecule is a structure consists two or more atoms that are chemically bound together and thus behave as an independent unit. Molecules are noted with the element symbol and a subscript with the number of atoms. As we can see on the slide, I have put some examples for molecules. You can see that we got a H2, H2O, NH3, and CH4. And then we have ion. What is ion? Ion is an atom or group of atoms that has a net positive or negative charge. Ion also can acquire a positive charge or a negative charge depending on whether the number of electrons in an atom is greater or less than the number of protons in the atom. It is charged because the number of electrons do not equal the number of protons in the atom or molecule. That is ion. So, what is cation? Cation is a positive charge. Put on your mind, cation is a positive charge. Alright? A cation has more proton than electron. Once again, put on your mind, cation has more proton than electron. Alright, consequently, it is giving a net positive charge. For a cation form, one or more electron must be lost. Remember, one or more electron must be lost, typically pulled away by atoms with a stronger affinity to them. Alright, then we have anion. What is anion? Anion is negative. Different from cation, cation is positive while anion is negative. Alright, an anion has more electron than proton. Alright, cation has more proton than electron, while anion has more electron than proton. Consequently, giving it a net negative charge. For an anion form, one or more electron must be gained, typically pulled away from other atoms with a weaker affinity to them. That is anion. On the other hand, we also have two more types of ion. First is monoatomic ion. What is monoatomic ion? Monoatomic ion only contain one atom. For example, magnesium oxide, lithium bromide, calcium nitride, and aluminium sulfide. Next, we also have polyatomic ion, which is polyatomic ion contain more than one atom. For example, sulfides, hydronium, and ammonium. That is another type of ion. Last but not least, we got element. Element is like a main character in chemistry subject. Without element, we cannot do calculation, we cannot do experiment, we cannot explain how the chemistry work. For example, if you want to do some experiment, we need to know the compound, what we have to use, right? Alright, so what is element? Element is a simplest pure substance consists entirely one of type of atom, and it cannot be broken down into simpler substance by physical or chemical means. Each element is defined by the number of protons in its nucleus. The chemical elements are organized on the periodic table of the element. Each element has an atomic number and symbol. For example, magnesium, the symbol is Mg. Argentum, the symbol is Ag. While aluminium, the symbol is Al. That is the example for the elements. So, this is what we call element. We can see all the element on the periodic table. All the element is separate by three groups. The first one is metal, the second one is non-metal, and lastly, it is called gas. So, in conclusion, atoms, molecule, ion, and elements are fundamental concepts in the field of chemistry. Understanding this concept is essential for studying and manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. It is also important to understand how the compound work and how did they turn into energy. My name is Muhammad Amal Hamdhy, and that's all from me. Thank you and see you next time. Bye!